Hey guys, welcome back to the Gastric Guru channel. I'm Chef Kaz, and today we're going to be talking about cinema snacks. If you're staying at home, don't fancy going to the cinema, what we're going to do, we've got some low calorie, high protein snacks to have at home with your family. A low carb, high protein, homemade tortilla crisps for your movie night. Follow me, guys. Here we've got 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to go straight into the microwave for 30-second blasts until the cheese is completely melted. As you can see, we're almost there. Who doesn't like melted cheese, eh? As you can see, it's completely melted. Now, relatively quickly, what we're going to do is we're going to go in with 30 grams of whey protein isolate, 1 egg white, a sprinkle of smoked paprika, because I love smoked paprika. I know. Sprinkle of cumin. A sprinkle of smoked paprika. Take 2. 15 grams of almond flour. Mix that well. Pretty vigorously. It'll become like a loose dough. So it's all mixed together. We're going to let it cool down a little bit, and then we're going to roll it out into our tortilla crisps. Catch you soon. So here is our high protein, low carb tortilla dough to make our very own cinema snacks. We're going to literally go with it now.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Okay, so here is the dough. In between some parchment greaseproof paper, lay the paper on top with a rolling pin. You're going to roll it out to your desired thickness. Make sure it stays within the paper, it does not come out of the paper. Otherwise, you're going to have a bad day. And then carefully just if it's a little bit sticky, you can just sprinkle a little bit of almond flour on top. Go back. Just like that. Then, with a knife or a pizza roller, just simply do whatever shape you fancy. Should we go the traditional triangle ones? Why not? Take the parchment paper, place it on a baking tray, place the whole thing in the oven for approximately 12 minutes. For our next dip, we're going to do a high protein cheese dip to go with our high protein, low carb tortilla chips. And straight in, what we're going to do is, boom, 250 grams of high protein cottage cheese, straight in there, boom. Touch of salt, boom. Touch of pepper, straight in there. A sprinkle of chili flakes. Do it to your preference. Spice it up. A sprinkle of smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. A sprinkle of soya or oat milk. On with the blender. Give it a little shake. So as you'll see, it's looking chunky, but reasonably smooth. At this stage, what I'm going to do, just throw in a little bit of chopped garlic, 1 clove, like so. Straight back on in the blender, 1 minute, boom.
Want to say hello?
Hello!
Take it out of your blender, and it should look a little something like this. For me personally, hit it with a bit more chili. Ready to go. So one of my go-to dips at home, if I'm looking for high protein, low calorie, loads of flavour, I'm going for like a baba ganoush. Perfect. Then what we're going to do is, we're going to score our aubergine. This will make it easier to scoop out the flesh once we're going to roast it onto a tray. Tracing the knife around the outside of the aubergine. Don't worry if it gets a bit messy. Doesn't even matter too much how you do it, as long as you've got a nice score on the aubergine. From there, hit it with some pepper, salt. Don't be shy with the salt. Hit it with some low-calorie oil, just a touch. Rub that in. Make sure it penetrates.
What?
My cameraman's got some issues. From there, I'm going to go straight into the oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes on 170 degrees. So guys, our aubergines are now nicely roasted. We're going to scrape them out into a blender. Just leaving the skin behind. If a bit of skin goes in the blender, it's not a problem. Now that it's all in the blender, we're going to add a clove of garlic, roughly chopped. A 100 grams of cottage cheese. A nice squeeze of lemon. Gotta get that acidity in there. The Small Plate Society, we love that flavour. We're going to go straight in 70 grams of feta cheese, pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, the blender gave me a little facial. Straight in there, no messing.
I'm not straight in.
Our little baba ganoush dip. Once again, touch of smoked paprika. Just like that. And here's what our protein tortillas will look like. Nice and crispy, golden brown, straight into our dip. Oh my God.
They are.